Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to unmute Instagram notes from a friend. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Instagram application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for the Instagram application and find it. Once you have downloaded, open it up and logged into your Instagram account. Now we can get started. So you want to go ahead and open it up, and from here this is how it's going to look like. So this is our main page right here of home page, our feed where we can find all the posts by people we follow. And now we can go ahead and unmute a friend that we have muted their notes. So if you want to see their notes again and you want to unmute them, it's very easy. We are going to go ahead and be opening up their profile. So let's go ahead and open up the profile of the friend that we want to unmute. So let's say this is the profile right here, and now what we want to do is click on the following button right here. By clicking on the following button, this is now going to open up this menu of all the options we can access, and one of the options is going to be called mute. So once we open up mute, as you can see here, I can see that I have muted their notes. So if you want to unmute them, all you have to do is just turn this off. So turn it off, and now this is going to be turned on, and now you'll be able to see their post, stories and notes. Nothing else is muted, and this is how you can successfully unmute them. So if you want to mute them again, you can just come back, click the following button, and then turn on what you want to mute, either post, stories or whatever, and this is how easily you can do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching today's one. I hope I'll see you in the next one, and bye.